Assessment Planning in Cognitive Integrity Management. Welcome back. In the next couple of videos, we will provide an overview of the Assessment Planning module as part of our Cognitive Integrity Management User Guide video series. The purpose of this video is to go over the key steps required to effectively plan and schedule all of your assessment activities in a single interface. Before we jump into the solution, let's go over the data integration types that can be assessed in the Assessment Planning module. 1. Inline inspection assessments. 2. Hydro assessments. 3. Direct assessment. 4. Cathodic protection survey data, which includes close interval survey types. We are constantly expanding this area of the system to accommodate more integrity-related assessment and inspection activity. Okay, let's pop into SIM. You can access the Assessment Planning module from under the Processes tab in the top header menu. Once on the page, you will see all the current planning assessments that are in the system. The solution provides functionality for you to go in and edit each assessment or create a new assessment by clicking on the top right corner of the Assessments table as shown. There are several actions that a user can do related to each assessment listed here. We will go through each in this video. This list can also be accessed on our knowledge base. View, read-only screen which displays all available data for the selected assessment. Checkout, used to take ownership or check out an assessment record for editing. If the icon is not available, the user does not have permission, or the assessment may be currently checked out to another user. Edit, used to edit data for the selected assessment. If the icon is not available, the user must check out the assessment or the assessment may be currently checked out to another user. Undo checkout. A user sees the undo button for only the assessments they have checked out. Administrator users will see the undo button for any assessments that are checked out. When selected, the record will be checked back in and saved so that another user is able to edit if needed. Delete. Used to delete an assessment and is seen by both the user and administrator. This icon is only available when an assessment is checked in. The user cannot see the delete button when the assessment is checked out. Once the execution start date is entered, non-admin users will no longer be able to delete the assessment. Create follow-up. Used to create a copy of the assessment for follow-up purposes. When selected, it will provide a pop-up window allowing the user to enter an assessment name and due date. When the Save button is selected, a copy of the original assessment is made and assigned a new assessment number. Undelete, only visible to the administrator. Selecting this icon will remove the assessment from the deletion list. We have now covered the basic elements of the Assessment Planning module within Cognitive Integrity Management. Please feel free to send any questions related to this module to support@onebridgesolutions.com. Please continue to the next video in this series that will discuss how users can create an assessment within SIM.